we're never used to paying. I mean, I doubt that unless somebody has bought a house, people aren't used to paying two, three, $4,000 for a professional. It's not something
Right.
we do in our daily lives. Like, if I'm going, even working a middle class job, unless I've been sued and I have to pay a lawyer, or I have child support and I have to pay a lawyer, I generally don't, I'm not used to that. So the
Hmm.
way to think about it when you go into business is, how much money is this going to save me? Is this going to make me money? Is this an asset? And
Hmm.
so by spending $2,000 on a CPA, if they can save me $17,000 in tax liability, because your tax liability in business is a lot higher, we're in, even though the taxes are kind of rigged in our favor with a lot of deductions, we're also at the highest tax bracket. It's something like 40%. So I'm not giving half my money away to the government. I'm going to find every
No.
way to get that money down. So
Yeah.
for that $2,000 I pay them, if they, significantly can reduce the amount that I am paying in taxes, my unintentional business partner, Uncle Sam, I'm going to that's absolutely 1,000% worth it. And that's one of the mindset shifts that has to happen when you go into business is, how much money is this going to make me? I mean, there's
Right.
some things you have to pay. There's some things you have to pay, and you don't like taxes. But taxes aren't going to make me any money, although I've found a couple ways to do that. Taxes aren't going to make me a whole lot of money, but what I need to do is I need I need to do them. I need to pay them so I don't end up in prison. But
Yeah. Right. We don't want that.
something like that. But outside of those, how much money is this expense going to make me, and can I make this expense make me money? I mean, on a Go High Level account, I do kind of a side hustle of helping somebody with their Go High Level implementations. And so now I've taken that Go High Level and turned it into something I can make money with. And as an entrepreneur, you're going to find out just whatever way you can to make money, and you'll find a bunch of ways to do it.